Welcome to Grammar Lessons from BM English Speaking.
Behind, पीछे, under, नीचे, opposite, सामने. Let's look at the use of these prepositions in English language. Use of beside or next to, between, in front of or behind. Look at this picture very carefully. Anil is beside or next to Carol. Carol is between Anil and Iqbal. Karthik is in front of Carol. Diya is behind Carol. वो Carol के पीछे है. Did you observe? Anil is on the right of Carol. Iqbal is on the left of Carol. Or Carol is in the middle of the group. Use of opposite, behind, in front of. Look at the picture carefully. Seema is sitting opposite the teacher. और teacher कहाँ है? The teacher is sitting opposite Seema. Pretty simple. Seema is sitting in front of Rekha. और रेखा कहाँ है? रेखा is sitting behind Seema. वो सीमा के पीछे है. Let's look at use of by, which is location is beside, next to a place or an object. Look at this picture of Suraj. Who is standing by the doorway? Suraj is standing by the doorway. He is waiting by the door to invite the guests. Is there a nameplate? Yes, by the door. Let's look at the use of above, below, under, and on. Look at the picture again carefully. Box A is on box B. Box B उसके नीचे है, is below box A. Box C is under the chair and box B is on the chair. चलिए अभी ये ट्यूब लाइट और घड़ी को देखते हैं. The tube light is above the clock. The clock is below the tube light. Thank you.